Hey, Keith Shannon, directcarpet.ca. Today we are on a job site where they just had new hardwood put in. And what we're going to do is the carpet was installed before the hardwood. So the installer had left the underpad running and the carpet running because he didn't know where they were going to finish the hardwood to. So they put in their piece, and now we have to fit that in nice. That's what it looks like now. That's what it needs to be finished to. So it's a little awkward once the doors are in and things are there, but we do really need to get a piece of smooth edge in there. We like to do this before, but as you can tell in this situation, we need to figure it. So all we're going to do is we're just going to cut the pad along the carpet here first. Let's get that out of the way. And then this needs to go in there against the pad. And that, when we go to stretch it, that pad is going to move up. It's going to stretch right into that smooth edge. I'm going to pop some staples in here just to secure that down. Okay. We're going to roll that up and see how that gap is on there. It feels pretty good. Let's get rid of some of this carpet here. You to cut through. Looks good. All right, let's see how far that pad's going to stretch up there. With the stretcher. That right in there. Better yet, make sure you get right to the end, right along the whole thing. Let's put a good blade on that. Now what we're going to do is we've got a 90. We don't want to cut right in that 90. What we want to do is we want to come up a little bit like that. We want to cut into that board so we have a little bit left to tuck. So let's do a little bit. Actually, I like to go for the whole thing. Let's pull that out of there. Let's continue that there. Pull that out, pull that out. Let's cut that there. And that's that. We're just going to clean it up, sweep it up. But you can see that there. Looks good. Looks nice, but you know what? I like to bang the pins down too, so that when you walk over them,